Wagwan, my people, wagwan, Jamaican things. Family. Now, guys, we're in Barbados right now. We're in Barbados right now, my people. Yeah, man, we're at Oistins. Yeah, man, Oistins. Yeah, my people, so we're at Oistins Bay Gardens. I don't know, regular or annual Friday evening entertainment. You don't know, the whole of Barbados link up right here at Oistins Bay. Tourists and locals alike link up right here in the Oistins Bay now, my people. We're just reaching, my peeps. We just reached. We're going to make a step over Oistins Bay, show you guys what's going on. So as far as I can see from out here, you can see a ton load of restaurants. I can see, yeah, that they have bars and entertainment and, you see me, all of them things there. So we're going to walk over to my peeps, show them exactly what has taken place.
Everybody drove in a car and they beat the horn before they get to Oistins. So, Bibi,
Mr. Building Man. See, now boy gets so split you can see, and that's why I know you will sleep and line and keep inventing. See, alright. When I was a stumbling block, 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 baby, what better move over, baby, here comes the tiger, baby, what better move over, baby, here comes the tiger, buck up in the tiger, you buck up in the dead trap, buck up in the dead trap, you must get trapped, buck up in the tiger, you buck up in the dead trap, buck up in the dead trap,
right here in the Oistins Bay Gardens.
here comes the tiger, baby, what better move over, baby, you must say what the tranquilizer.
Hey, poor people, I'm taking a new stand. We bringing us far. I know that we here are citizens, and the people, all of the businesses here want you to buy them out. But I know one thing that the business owners will never tell you is that they don't want you to do what this next song is telling you. Because we got here. Let them talk, let them talk, let them criticize, but I'll look around, say it again. Both of you may be too loud and your lips are too red, and the crushing words may be too tight. Maybe that's why they're upset. Let them talk, let them slander everything.
Thank you.